to get food. They feed insects which live in water like earthworm, toads, frogs.
Okay.
Yeah. Here there is 2 species of pelican.
Okay.
There is white pelican and the
The crown.
black and white pelican.
Okay.
Pelican, both they
So
feed fish.
the big one.
Yeah.
The big one is white.
Yeah.
And then the smaller one like this is black and white.
Yeah. Pelican.
Okay.
Both they feed the fish.
Oh, okay. They have fish in there?
No.
You have
during
fish
night.
in the
during
water?
night.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, during night. We buy fish from the bushes, then they bring here. Another one, the Uganda